Presenting the 2026 BMW X7 xDrive40i, the pinnacle of luxury in a full-size SUV. With elegant lines and 21-inch wheels, it's built to impress at every angle. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter twin-power turbo inline-six with mild hybrid tech serving 375 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds, and a top speed up to 155 miles per hour. Inside, indulgence reigns, Sensafin upholstery and a sweeping curved display powered by iDrive 8.5. Room for 7 optional captain's chairs and ambient luxury that puts every passenger in first class. Tech-packed for convenience, panoramic moonroof, and parking assistance professional for seamless maneuvering.